How to add 2 filters to Instagram Reels. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add 2 filters to your Reels. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the Instagram app, let's first visit the App Store over here, or if you have an Android, just open up your Play Store and search for Instagram at the search bar and just tap on Instagram. So let's check if our Instagram is up to date by focusing on this button right here. If it says update, that means that your Instagram is currently outdated and you have to update it by just clicking on this update button right here, so that we will have the latest features, especially the feature of being able to add 2 filters to your Instagram Reels. However, if that says open, that means that your Instagram is currently up to date and you're good to go. Assuming that I'm now done updating my Instagram app, let's just go ahead and open up Instagram right here. And first, we have to be at our profile page, or actually you can also do this at the home page and just click on this plus icon right here at the top right corner, but I'm just going to do it from my profile page. So just click on the plus icon and click on Reel. And from here, you can record a video for your Reel. So to use 2 filters for your Reels, you actually have to apply it on different clips. So for example, I'm going to record one clip with this filter right here. And I'm just going to press and hold this shutter button to record real quick. Like that. And for the next clip, we are going to use another filter. So just click on this X icon so that we will be able to remove this filter that I'm currently using. Just click on the X. And let's add another effect by clicking on this sparkle icon right below the music icon. And from here, you can select any filter you want. So I'm just going to use this for the next clip. And click on your reel to enlarge it. And let's just record another clip once again and press and hold this shutter button. Like that. And we're just going to click on next to preview it. And as you can see, there are 2 filters that are being used in our reel. So you can just click on next to proceed with the posting and edit the details. So that is how you can basically add 2 filters to your Instagram Reels. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.